Hi everyone, my name is Matt Calderwood and welcome to my course Building Applications with Power BI. I am a senior software engineer specialising in data and business intelligence. Power BI has evolved over the years to become the leader in business intelligence solutions. As application developers, we can harness almost everything that the platform has to offer, making it available within our own applications. In this course, we are going to go through the advanced features within the embedding API, taking our BI solutions to the next level, integrating reports and visualizations seamlessly into our own software. Some of the major topics that we will cover include embedding and securing reports and dashboards, adding mobile device and theme support, building custom filters, and responding to report interactions. By the end of this course, you'll have the knowledge to build your own advanced Power BI solutions and utilize all the features that the embedding API has to offer. Before beginning this course, you should be familiar with C# and JavaScript, and if you're just starting out with embedding, then you should consider the course on building your first application with the Power BI REST API. But if you're ready to get going, then I hope you'll join me on this journey to learn more about embedding with the Building Applications with Power BI course here at Pluralsight.